Welcome, I'm Jack Lanchas, and this is the GEO SEO Super App. So the cool things we could do these days are just endless. So one of the newest things that I've just implemented into the GEO SEO Super App is a site-wide refresh. So you could update your stale pages, and it just saves a ton of time. So what I mean by that is if you go to objectives right now, and then you click on fix and optimize, you could click site-wide refresh. And what that's going to do is you could actually select the amount of posts that you want to refresh at a time. So here, just for as an example, I'm going to do like 3. And then I'm just going to click a site. I'll check the website, and you need to have it connected already. If you don't, you just click the plus. It's super easy. And what it's going to do, it's going to go in and do a refresh. So it is going to, I'm going to just click send. It is going to go to the website. It is going to do a light scan. It's going to find a sitemap. It's going to do a light scan on the page to find the correct and the best entities to add. Then it's going to go and research online to see and kind of update the dates and the missing gaps. So if there's outdated information, it'll try to pull information online to update it and make it more recent. And then it'll change absolutely everything. It'll kind of bring it to back to life, changing the title, changing the slug, changing everything. So you end up with a website that still has exactly or almost the same content, just more updated, and also with newer information. So this is an old website. This is not my content. This is just stuff that was written, like auto-generated and all that stuff from not my stuff. But look here, top things to do in 2023, and you have an article in 2023. This is one of the older ones, and now one of the newer ones. Here you can see it 2023 in the title and all that. And here we have another article that was just updated, and it says your ultimate guide to Norman in 2026. So it kept almost everything the same, but it updated the date here. It updated the date in the slug. It updated the last posted date. It updated the creation date. It went in and it found the stuff inside that needed updating. So you got 2026 here, and also it'll go and check to make sure that things are still relevant, are still okay. And then it'll just post a full update. So just to show you kind of like the work that it's doing, I have some revisions. So you can kind of go into WordPress, and this is really interesting to see how it's preserving stuff and also updating at the same time. So here, 2026, let me go here. So here we had stuff, we had 2023 stuff, and now it changed it to 2026, 2023, 2026. And then here it probably found that nightlife was an entity that you wanted to use. So it added the entity nightlife and kind of put it into the content, while still keeping the content almost exactly the same. Because that really is the, also the museum change. It's called the Tech Interactive, and here it was just called the Museum of Innovation, I think. So it went in and did research. Let me show you another example. Here, it basically updated 2023 to 2026, and it added this because it wants more entities in there. Here, very here. So it said here, if you're visiting 2023, here it says, check the current schedule if you would like to catch a show. So essentially what it's trying to do is trying to make and retain all the stuff that you wrote, because it doesn't want to, that's the key. It's a very, very light refresh where it's preserving like 95% of the stuff that you have. So the article essence stays the same, but it basically brings it back up to date, up to life. So we know that AI citations are heavily favoring freshness. So if you need to have a fresh maker experience or whatever, I don't know how to say it, but if you need to refresh a website and you want to do it, this is one of the easy ways where I just specify, and you can even resume once it's going, because it works. It's instructed to do one page at a time. So it takes about, I don't know, I'd say about like 3-4 minutes per page, but you just leave this in the background. It'll just go and it'll load the articles. And then you could kind of go in, especially if you're using WordPress, you could go in and see the revision. If you don't like something, you just kind of revert it back. But all right, I prefer this. But so far, the test that I've been doing and all the stuff that I've been refreshing has been very light edits, but just the way I would want to do it. So I'm leaving that. It is in the GEO SEO Super App. It's the newest kind of like addition, the recipe, and I could just show you how you get there. Oh yeah, and you can resume. So if you do 5, and you're like, oh, I want to do more later, then you just resume. So you go here, you click objectives, you click fix, optimize, site-wide refresh, and then you can specify how much you want. So hope you guys have enjoyed this GEO SEO Super App. I mean, you're free to download it. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys soon. Ciao.